Hello, I am Ajmal Faris, BSc Computer Science student. Here is my topic: looping, indexing and counting. Looping is the programming technique used to instruct the microprocessor to repeat tasks is called looping. This task is accomplished by using jump instruction. Classification of loop is two type: continuous loop and conditional loop. Continuous loop repeats a task continuously. A continuous loop is set up by using the unconditional jump instruction. A program with a continuous loop does not stop repeating the tasks until the system is reset. Conditional loop. A conditional loop is set up by conditional jump instruction. This instruction check flag z, cy, p, s and repeat the task if the condition are satisfied. This loop include counting and indexing. Counter. A counter is a typical application of the conditional loop. A microprocessor needs a counter flag to accomplish the looping task. Counter is set up by loading an appropriate count in a register. Counting is performed by either increment or decrement the counter. Loop is set up by a conditional jump instruction. Indexing. Pointing of referencing objects with sequential numbers. Data bytes referred to by their memory location. The microprocessor needs a counter to count 10 data bytes and index or a memory pointer to locate where data bytes are stored. To transfer data from a memory location to the microprocessor. To perform addition. Register for temporary storage of partial answer. A flag to indicate the completion of the stack. To store or output the result. Starting. Initialization section, processing section, loop control section is looping over. Result section and end.